pong mural painting natin ay activity po ng munisipyo ng Balino in connection with the celebration of the 76th founding anniversary. Actually, 5 panel yan. Bawat team ay binubuo ng 2 hanggang 3. So, 14 yan, yung unang team at 4 na team, 3. Yung pang-5, 2 partisan. So, total of 14 candidates. Ang tema nila ay Balino, the Home Kambangis Festival. So, doon umiikot ang kanilang drawing, ang kanilang mural. Tapos, ang guidelines yan is every day, kailangan maka-paint sila ng 4 hours a day. So, 3 days siya, 12, 13, 14. So, nagsimula kanina. Kaya lang, napag-usapan ng grupo na depende sa panahon. Ang importante, hindi ka lumampas ng 12 hours sa buong mural mo. Ibig sabihin, kahit sa isang araw, pwede kang mag-paint ng 6 or 7 hours kasi you have to consider the weather. So, kung medyo okay yung panahon, pwede kang mag-drawing mamayang hapon. But in totality, dapat magpapasa sa 12 hours. Ang kanilang premium ay, ang champion ay 15,000 plus trophy and certificates. First runner-up, 10,000 plus trophy and certificates. Second runner-up, 5,000 plus trophy and certificates. At saka yung consolation prize is 3,000 each team at saka certificates, meaning walang uwing haluan. Then yung kanilang ginagamit na painting materials, paint at saka paintbrush ay provided ng LGU. Kumbaga ang kanilang lang nila rito yung kanilang talent. So part ni sa advocacy sa pamahalang lokal under the leadership of Honorable Mayor Marites De La Rosa na ma-promote yung tourism at saka yung pagiging artist ng mga Balinians.